Good morning, everybody. This is Lynn from A Bit of Birdsong. I wanted to do a very short tutorial on stamping fabric with acrylic paint. I just recently made a prayer journal that I did a tutorial for, and the front of this was stamped with a stamp that I really love. I dip it in distress ink and then acrylic paint and get an outline of a stamp. The point of that tutorial on making the fabric prayer journals was to share the process of the prayer journal. The stamp itself ended up coming out with like a spot of paint that was really too heavy, and I wanted to just make a separate tutorial on doing these stamps the best way possible and coming out with something really pretty that you can use without having to paint the entire thing. I did some stamps to show you. I hope you can see this. See, it turns out mostly as a beautiful outline. You can use it just like it is. So this is a really short tutorial, and following this I will post the prayer journal tutorial. I hope everybody is having a good day. It's Monday. I'm planning to get together with one of my sons today, and we're going to go car shopping, so it's a good day. Every day is a good day. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you to new subscribers, and I will see you later. Bye. So I do like to use the distress ink on the stamp. I love this color. This is Hollyhock Red. And we're going to try again. The stamp that I did yesterday making the prayer journal, it was a little bit blotchy, and a lot of times I will do several stamps to get the best one. Again, it's not a big deal if something is not perfect, and the point of that video was, especially for the tutorial, that was the purpose. Anyway, I do like to mix the distress ink and the acrylic paint. You want to have enough on the lines, but you don't want it like globbed down into the little cutout areas. So let's see how pretty that is. The distress ink sort of gives it a little bit more darkness, and it shows up in little spots, just sort of randomly. There's another. I did want you to see that they normally turn out really nicely. I think I put too much on the other stamp with the brush, but I do have to show you something. That stamp, actually, the stamped piece of fabric where I did the prayer journal, actually turned out pretty amazing because I decided to hand paint the entire angel. And anyway, it's just really pretty. It's one of a kind. So there are so many ways to fix something or to add another layer. Totally, if you do it, it doesn't turn out right, try it again.